Military police. What's a time you had to detain someone who clearly had no idea what they'd done wrong? I was on patrol at the gate one morning when a car pulled up with a guy I didn't recognize. He flashed me a visitor's pass, but something about him seemed off. He was wearing civilian clothes, but he had dog tags hanging out of his shirt and military stickers all over his car. I asked him where he was headed, and he said, just visiting my buddy for the weekend. He handed me a name and barracks number, so I checked our records. Problem was, the guy he was visiting had been discharged 2 years ago. When I asked why he thought his friend still lived on base, he shrugged. He doesn't text me back much. At that point, I ran his ID. Turns out he had a warrant out for his arrest. I called for backup and told him we'd need to detain him. He looked genuinely confused. Wait, why? I'm just here to hang out. I told him about the warrant and his jaw dropped. Oh, that thing? I thought it was, like, optional. Turns out he'd skipped a court date for unpaid parking tickets and thought nothing would happen. His friend was also just a guy he used to drink with. Hadn't seen him in years. As we processed him, he kept saying, man, I just wanted to party. The funniest part? While we were escorting him off base, he asked if he could still stop by the PX to grab beer for the weekend.